Good morning, Year 1, and welcome to Tuesday's maths lesson. Today we are looking at subtraction, which is the posh word for taking away. Okay, so first we are going to be using our base 10 to be answering some maths starter questions. Okay, so remember, if it's a stick, it's how many? 10. And if it's just a single one, it is 1. Okay, so can you get your exercise book ready? And let's start our maths lesson. First question. How many tens? 2, so that's 20. Add 3 tens, 30. 20 add 30. Write it down. You should have got 50. Is that right? Next question. What's the answer? 15. Did you get that? Let's do one final question and then we can get started. Last video. How many tens? How many ones? Take away how many tens? How many ones? Okay, so I have 2 tens and 5 ones. Take away 1 10 and 5 ones. The answer is 10. You could have done this through accurate counting. So you need to take away that. So we'll take away 1 and then 5 ones, which would leave you with 10. Okay, let's get on to the learning for today. Here is my question. 17 take away 4, or 17 subtract 4. Right. The first thing I'm going to do is put 17 onto a 10 frame. Now, how many 10 frames do you think I'll need to put 17 on? 1 or 2? If you said 2, you'd be right. I have 1 full 10 frame here for my 10s and then 7 for my 1s. Okay, now we know a lot about accurate counting. To accurately count something, we cross it out. So how many does it want me to cross out? 4. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's count how many we've got left. 10, because it's a full 10 frame, so I don't even need to count. 10, and then count on. 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 13. Let's check this on a number line. So, always start on the biggest number. How many jumps am I going to make backwards? 4. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle the number you land on. 13. Okay, so here I have checked it by jumping back 4 and I've got the same answer as my 10 frame. Let's try another question. Here is my next question. 14 take away 6. Now I've got to first put it onto my 10 frame. Again, because it's over 10, I need 2 10 frames. 10 and 4. Okay, and that makes 14. Now we need to accurately count. So as always, you need to do your crossing out. How many? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now let's see how many I've got left. I don't have any left on that 10 frame. And I must have less than 10 because 2 have been crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. But let's check it on a number line. Start with your biggest number. Jump back how many? 6, because I'm taking away, I'm subtracting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Circle the number you land on. What is my answer? Okay, so I have 8. What I would like you to do now is pause and have a go at question 1 on your worksheet. Come back for question 2. Okay, so this is my next question. Miss Farah has 15 sweets. She gives 6 sweets to Mrs. Ward. How many sweets does she have left? Now, as we said with any other word problem, you've got to underline the numbers, because then you know which ones are important. Now, it's asking you how many sweets does she have left, so you know it's a subtraction one, okay? So, she has 15, and she's taking away 6 because she's giving them away. So that is the question we have been asked, okay? Now, I've used a number line to help me. Are you ready? Start with your biggest number. Jump back however many it tells you to take away. Circle that number. What is the answer? 9. So, rule 1, underline the numbers. Rule 2, find out what kind of question it's asking you, whether it's an addition or subtraction. Then move on to your number lines. Start with the biggest number, jump back however many it tells you, circle the number you land on. Okay, let's do one more and then you can have a go yourself. Here is my next question. Isaac has 13 pencils. He gives 5 pencils to Thomas. How many pencils does he have now? Okay, rule 1, underline the numbers in the question. Rule 2, figure out what kind of question it is. Is it addition, subtraction? Isaac has 13. He gives pencils to, so he's only got this left. Okay, so it's now a takeaway because he's giving it away. He's not adding any more to it. He's giving them away. So he has 13. He's given away 5. So it's 13, take away 5. Moving on to my number line. Start on your biggest number. Take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And circle the number you land on. What is my answer? 8. So he has 8 pencils. Right, pause this now and have a go at the next question. Question 2. Then come back for question 3. Okay, here is the next question. Olivia has 15 berries. She eats 7 of them. How many does she have left? Okay, first rule. Underline the numbers. Then work out what kind of question it is asking you. How many does she have left? That means she's given some away. So it's a subtraction question. She has 15, but she eats 7. Okay, that is the question we are trying to figure out. Now, if we did it like the last question, we would 15, take away 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer would be 8. And that is the answer. However, it's a bit tricky trying to do all this. We know something about this. Okay. I know that if I took 5 away, that would equal 10. Because I'd be taking the ones. And then I would need to take another 2 away to get to my answer of 8. Because 5 is 5 and 2. Now, this might be easier when we're working out rather than doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, See, I've already miscounted. Okay, so we'll keep this one here so you can see it. But I'm going to show you it on this one. So the first rule still applies. Circle your biggest number. But now I'm going to jump all the way to 10. Because I know that 15 take away 5 equals 10 because it's taking away the ones. So I'm going to write 5 here. But I'm not finished yet because I know I need to keep going and take away another 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2. Okay, that is quicker than trying to do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and more accurate because we count 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let's try out a different one. Here's my next question. Lois has 16 unicorns. She gives 9 of them to Maya. How many does she have left? Okay, first rule, underline the numbers. Second rule, work out what kind of question it is. How many does she have left? If it's that kind of question, it's subtraction. And we know she has 16 and she's given 9 away. So you could do it the old way. Circling the biggest number, going back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or we could do it. I know 16 take away 6 would equal 10, and then take away another 3 because 6 add 3 equals 9. So let's try it. 16 is my biggest number. Go back 6 to 10. Then go back another 3. Can you see the difference? What's the same? We're doing jumps back. We're starting on the same number. We've ended on the same number. What's different? Bigger jumps. You get there a lot quicker. Okay? Right. Now, let's try just one more question before I send you off for question 3. Okay, so this one is a different style question because it has given me the biggest number, but it's given me the answer as well, and I've got to work out what they have taken away to get to that answer. So, we do as we always do. Circle the biggest number. But now, we already know the answer, so I'm going to circle that one as well, because we know we need to get from here to here. Now, I know 16 take away 6 equals 10. So I'm going to jump all the way back here. And I know that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I still need to get to 8. So I need to go back one more and one more again. So 6, 7, 8. So that means 16 take away 8 equals 8. Can you see how we did that? And how it was quicker to add up when you did one big jump and then 2 little ones, rather than individual jumps? Fine, one more question and then I'll send you off. This one's definitely a different question because it's not given us the biggest number yet. So we need to work backwards to be able to get to that number. We know how many they've taken away and we know the answer. So I can circle 5 because that's the answer. Now I need to work back and do 7 jumps backwards to see if we can find the answer. Now, to make it easier, I'm going to go jump straight to 10 because I know 5 add 5 equals 10. That's still not 7 though, and I know I need to do 2 more to get to 7. So I'm going to do one big 2-person jump. Can you see how 5 add 7 equals... 5 add 2, I mean. 5 add 2 equals 7. So, my number is 12. Let's check it. 2 at 12. Go back to 10, remember, because we say we always take away that because we know that's the easiest way. And then 10 to 5. Wow. Okay, I think you're ready now to have a go at yourself. There are lots of different missing number questions and some normal questions as well. You have a number line for each question, so go and have a go. I'd love to see all your working out. Good luck, Year 1, and that will be the end of your lesson. Well done.